Hello, so Doug Thompson here at our shop. We're talking about some of the machine tools in our shop, in our blacksmithing shop, and our fabrication shop. And this is a vertical press, and I use it in blacksmithing for doing a number of things. It's a 40-ton press, and I had a friend of mine rework the hydraulics, so I've got a very sensitive hydraulic valve here that allows the cylinder to push down very slowly, very accurately. So what you're seeing right here is some tooling that I made to do this move right here. This is a compression move, 2 pieces of 5/8 inch square stock. The idea is that you put one piece along the alignment blocks that also serve as the finishing stop, because we don't want this to compress more than 5/8 of an inch. And then the other piece is placed above, on top of the previous piece and plate, and it will compress the 2 pieces so that all of the material is in plane. So the part is on top about 5/8 of an inch, and as I push it down, and then this upper block hits the stop blocks, and that's as far as the press will go. So when I release the pressure, we have a part that is in plane with each other and has this really interesting shape to it. So it's a very intimate fit there. So anyways, this press is very useful for doing moves like this, and it's in the blacksmith area of the shop, specifically for doing forge work. Right down in there. Watch that.